Hello guys, here's a very quick project that I thought I would share with you. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been cruising around with a non-standard Britax choke lever, and the reason is I broke my own choke lever when I fell off the bike a couple of years ago. Yes, I had the hardest time trying to replace this, and the reason is it's a left-hand unit, or what I'd call a left-hand unit, meaning it sits on the left-hand handlebar, and the choke cable comes in from the right. And many of the others, it comes in from the left, and they're easy to get, but these ones are a little tricky to get. Anyway, and you can see here where I broke off the lever of the choke unit as well. So that was it really, just a broken choke lever, a damaged ego and a set of bent handlebars later, and I managed to score a unit on eBay. So this is the replacement unit. It's in pretty nice condition. I cleaned it up as well, and I've sort of taken the best parts from both my old original unit and then this new unit. They are a very simple little unit. Comprising just this main screw that goes through the unit that clamps down on sort of a spring type washer. And so as we remove this main screw, we've got the cap here, and then underneath there's the lever mechanism, which I've broken, and then underneath there's a spring type washer. You can see that's not flat, and then there's the clamp unit as well, dead straightforward. And here are the units side by side. As you can see, this is the only difference, and you can see where it's broken off with the old one here, and then underneath, you know, that's where the nipple of the cable goes, and then goes round into that channel, into the clamp, and then onto your carburetors. So we'll just do a quick install. So we're going to start by first just loosening the cable by essentially turning the choke on. And here, this is that resistance I mentioned earlier. So when you clamp down on this screw, it presses against that spring washer and gives you enough friction to hold this choke lever on or off. And so we're just going to slacken that all the way off. That's essentially dropping the slides down into the carburetors and essentially turning the choke on, and then that'll allow us to take this choke mechanism off. So just undoing the main screw, very simple, removing the cap, and then we can just take the cable out of there, remove the spring, and then we've got the handle or the lever, and you can see underneath that's where the nipple goes, and you just basically work it out of that slot. And that's the handle off. Simple as that. And here's the Britax choke assembly on the bench. Just going back to what I was talking about earlier, you can see that this is what I would call a right-hand unit, meaning it would be on the right-hand side of the handlebar, and you see that the cable comes in from the left. And that's why it looked kind of funky on my bike actually. It looked like the cable was forced. Whereas here is a more natural flow of the cable with this left-hander unit. So, and then similarly with the lever itself or the handle, you can see that with the left-hand unit the channel is there, of course, to match this unit, whereas here it's on the right-hand side. Other than that, they're almost identical, as you can see. It's just the flow of the cable. So now it's just a matter of refitting this original choke lever mechanism. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little project. So I have a perfectly functioning Britax choke lever. I'd like to pass it on to someone who needs it or would like it. If I could ask you, if you like the video, to please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and then you'll get notifications whenever I load a new video. And then for anyone who's interested in this Britax choke lever, if you could please put a comment in the comment section just letting me know what bike this will be going on, and then I'll select a random drawing and I'll pull a name essentially out, and I'll announce that during one of my next videos, and then you can perhaps get in touch with me via an instant message, and we'll have this sent to you free of charge. So thanks again, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Okay, see ya.